Let's go up. This, dang man, this is a Dover.
Listen to that.
Listen. Oh, it's got a fire alarm chime.
This one.
The chime is a fire alarm. Be careful.
Let's go to.
Oh, it's a ThyssenKrupp.
ThyssenKrupp. Let's go to 4.
The 4 chime is a fire alarm.
Motor. Listen to that motor.
That's a fire alarm.
Wow.
Look at all these buttons.
Should we go back to 1?
Once the door's open.
Let's get out. Let's take the stairs.
No. Why?
One.
Whoa,
I've
listen.
never heard of Tyson like that.
Neither have I. Hey, it's got the Tyson.
Listen to that motor.
Someone explain to me why it has a Wheelock AES as the 4 chime.
Listen to this motor. That was an epic motor.
Bro, but who thought it would be a good idea to install a fire alarm as the 4 chime?
And out we get.